Welcome to the fourth part of my in-depth Industrial Craft 2 tutorial. During these tutorials, I will be using the Industrial Craft 2 recipes and will not be covering the Tech Reborn recipes. I want to start this video by apologizing for my lack of content last week. I got pretty sick and spent a lot of time in bed. I also apologize for the nasally voice in this video as well, but I'm still kinda getting over whatever I had last week. Nonetheless, we're back to making videos, so let's get on with the tutorial. Steel is a fairly important part of IC2. So first we need to make a compressor. Once you have your compressor, connect it to your LV power source and place empty universal fluid cells into the top slot of your compressor. It will begin to fill the cells with air. Next, we need a solid fuel box. Alternatively, you can make an electric heater, which I highly recommend. Connect your heater to your power source. You will want to go ahead and craft IC2 coils and fill the heater with them. This is how the heater creates and transfers heat. Now we're ready for the blast furnace. Go ahead and craft a blast furnace and place it right next to our heater. Make sure you place them with the squares touching because this is the side of the block that transfers the heat. Place a lever on the front of the blast furnace and flick it to the on state. Enter the GUI and you should see the heat bar rise. Go ahead and place your air cells in the left slot. It will empty the cells into the right slot. You should see the slot next to this fill with air. Then you will want to go ahead and place your iron ore or crushed iron ore from your macerator into the top slot. It does take quite a lot of time to turn the iron into steel. It's comparable to watching paint dry. As long as you have a heat source for the blast furnace, it will run. Once it's finished turning the iron into steel, it will give you one slag and one steel ingot. You can process the slag by putting it into a thermal centrifuge to get one small pile of gold dust and 5 pulverized coal. This concludes the fourth part of our in-depth Industrial Craft 2 tutorial. In the next video, I'll show you how to craft some solar generators for more power. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to click the thumbs up, and remember to leave any comments or feedback you have on the video. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to see more of my content, and if you fancy social media, you can find all of those links in the description below. I've been Dareth, and until next time, keep on crafting.